Some Sundays feel slower than usual. Gray skies, cool air, and nothing really calling for attention. Just heading out for a quiet afternoon outside. Brought a few ingredients, some cooking gear, and the oven. Simple things, but enough for a whole day. The setup stays surprisingly portable, like everything was designed to be moved easily without overthinking it. Easy enough to carry across the campsite without much effort. The campsite was really calm that day. Just wind moving through grass. And rain clouds slowly passing overhead like they're in no hurry either. Felt like a good day to stay outside for a while, just to let the afternoon unfold on its own. Even the smaller parts have their own storage spots, everything fitting together in a way that feels considered. Makes setup feel much cleaner, almost like a ritual instead of a task. Once everything unfolds, the whole thing comes together pretty quickly. Like a system that already knows what it's supposed to do. After a few uses, the setup becomes part of the routine. Something you don't really think about anymore. Right when cooking was about to start, the rain showed up. Quickly turned into something heavier. Then it got heavier, settling into that steady rain that changes the rhythm of everything. So the cooking moved inside the tent instead. Started with onions and garlic first. Chopped small. Nothing complicated. The smell changes immediately once everything hits the pan. Warm, slightly sweet, familiar in a way that feels grounding. First thing on the menu was stuffed peppers. Bright, firm, and simple. The kind of ingredient that doesn't need much to become something comforting. The filling got mixed with cream cheese and mozzarella. Soft and rich, binding everything together. Just enough room to hold the filling like they were made for it. Every pepper ended up packed completely full. Then wrapped with thin slices of pork belly, layering fat, smoke, and flavor into something richer. Next up were the mushrooms. Once the stems come out, they start looking like tiny bowls waiting to be filled. Cream cheese, black pepper, parsley. Simple ingredients, but they meld together in a really soft, savory way. Everything somehow looked even better once wrapped in pork belly like it's been dressed for the fire. Finished with barbecue sauce over the top, just enough to coat everything without hiding it. Finally, time for the fire. The smell of burning wood changes the whole mood immediately. The oven climbs to temperature really quickly too. It's compact, but the inside feels powerful. Like all the energy is focused into a small, controlled space. Stuffed peppers went in first. The surface gradually changing color, edges starting to caramelize. These came out beautifully. The pork belly crisped up perfectly around the edges. Inside stayed soft and really juicy, holding all the melted cheese and pepper sweetness together. The filling melted into something rich and comforting, like everything decided to become one texture. Exactly the kind of food that fits rainy weather, warm, heavy, and satisfying in a quiet way. Next round, mushrooms. Sweet, sharp, fresh, all those small contrasts coming through under the smoke. Watching food cook in the rain never really feels like waiting. These smelled amazing immediately, earthy and rich at the same time. The mushrooms turned soft and creamy inside, almost spoon-like once they're done. And the lemon in the sauce made everything feel lighter and brighter, cutting through the smoke just enough. At some point it stops feeling like cooking, more like spending time around the fire and happening to make food at the same time. The rain, warm food, smoke in the air, everything blends together into one slow atmosphere. Somehow the whole afternoon felt very still, like nothing needed to happen beyond this. The oven cools down gradually, metal settling back into itself. Once everything cooled down, packing up was pretty simple too. Everything folds back into place pretty quickly, like it was always meant to return to this shape. Even the smaller pieces pack away neatly again, nothing left behind or messy. And eventually it looked exactly the same as when it came out of the trunk earlier. Like the whole afternoon just unfolded and then folded back in. Just a quiet, rainy Sunday spent well.